year of hard work, I'm going to open the final box. Inside this box we have my thesis, my copies of my thesis in hard binding, my work in paper, printed, that I can take it with my hands. Let's see if this is exactly what I ordered. To choose, they're the same, so I have to choose which one is going to be for me and which one is going to be for my boss. So apparently when you're a master's student, if it's an MPhil, like Master of Philosophy, you don't really need to print it in hardbind, but because if my boss collects all the theses from his students and I'm his first MPhil student, he really wanted to have one for his collection. This is beautiful. Surprisingly, there is a third copy because I was supposed to go to collect it myself, but the company forgot about my order, so just a pure mistake and confusion. So they gave me third copy. Guys, this is a dream. You may suffer in your studies, you may want to drop out, you may want to give up, you may want to start a new life and run away. It's real and you can hold it in your hands and it's all yours. It's so worth it. It's so worth it. I really encourage you to keep fighting for your dreams, because this is hours of effort, hours of work. Thank you very much for watching this video and for being here with me today. See you soon. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Like a baby. I'm playing with the nose.